My name is Adrian Charles Chabon Komalo, aka DJ African Swiss. I come from Zimbabwe, Bulawayo, country to the city of kings and queens. My role model is my brother. He's the one who pushed me since day one. Though I was 12 years old by then, when I first saw him doing this thing, then I liked it as well. So that's why I started pursuing it. I tried by all means, though it wasn't easy. There were those times where my parents they would be like school first, but finally I made it. Mainly, I have two genres that I like to play: Afrobeats and Amapiano. Amapiano is the trend, guys. It's out there. Everyone likes piano. Whenever you feel it, you know what to do. And when it comes to Afrobeats, mainly is focused to the ladies out there. That's where my fan base is based at. So Afrobeats is for you ladies there. When I'm DJing, most of the times I use Pioneer CDJs, whether it's 350s, 850s, 900s, going upwards, I can deal with them. By checking the time slots that I have been given, and then I have to have at least 2 hours of rehearsal before I go there to make sure that everything is perfect and it's on set. Guys, this industry is not easy or simple to deal with. Every day you're gonna face different challenges, but you have to be strong. If you really wanna be a DJ, that means you should expect the worst. I'm not scaring anyone, but that's the fact. Because there's gatekeeping whereby even if how good you are, it's not like everyone is gonna appreciate that. Just deal with those few fans that you have that are supporting you, that are motivating you every day up until you make it. Because this industry doesn't favor all fans, guys. So this game is more like in the jungle, survival of the fittest. As we are wrapping this up, guys, don't forget to like and follow my pages. It's DJ African Swiss. For more info, you'll see below here. Shout out to Celebrity World Magazine for hosting me. Thank you.